need to talk about uninsured and underinsured motorists for a moment. When I first started doing this, I realized when a lot of our potential clients would come in, I would ask them, bring your declaration page with you, which is also called a deck page, from your insurance company that shows the breakdown of your coverages. And oftentimes they would bring that in and I would realize that they didn't have underinsured and or uninsured motorist coverage on their policy. Why is this important to you? I'll give you worst case scenario. You're driving down the road, you get hit, the person takes off, flees, there's a police investigation, they never find the person. You've now been hit, your car's totaled, you have severe injuries. You were hit by an uninsured driver. Well, if you have uninsured motorists on your policy, it is there to protect you for circumstances just like this. Another scenario that's very similar is, say you get into a collision with somebody and it's their fault and they hit you and they do get out of their car and they exchange information with you. You go later to call and make the claim and you let them know your car is totaled, you're injured, you need help, only to find out that that person hasn't paid their insurance for the last 4 months. Their insurance has now lapsed and there's no coverage. Thankfully, on your policy, hopefully, you have uninsured motorists that's going to step up into the shoes of that negligent third party and they're going to help you take care of that. They're going to navigate that process for you. Underinsured motorists, a little different but similar. In the state of California, we have what's called a 1530 policy. It's our state minimum, meaning you have to carry at least $15,000 per person on your policy. A lot of people have this belief that they have full coverage insurance. Well, full coverage is 1530 in California. Well, that doesn't cover much these days. If you go by ambulance, you go to the emergency room, you seek care, $15,000 goes really fast. Underinsured motorist is anything you have above what that party that hit you had will protect you. So let's say they had the minimum limits of $15,000. If you have $50,000, you can use up to $50,000 on your policy. Again, you're not at fault. It's just something you've paid into to protect you for this exact purpose. One thing we do need to address with that being said, if you have to go through your own insurance, if it's uninsured or underinsured motorists, you still need to know that your own insurance company is not your friend. They're not there to protect you, unfortunately. Their goal, like any insurance company, is to pay out the least amount of money on any given claim. They are not there to protect you. So at minimum, call a personal injury attorney and talk to them if you've been hit by an uninsured driver or somebody with minimum insurance. Call a personal injury attorney. Just talk to them about your options. We're here in Folsom, California. We practice all over California, and we're here to help people that find themselves in that predicament that might need help. So call. We're open 24 hours by phone. We can help you at any time. Number's 916-962-2896. Get the justice you deserve. Don't get shorted on the value of your case.